In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play chess.com here on an Xbox. This is going to work on an Xbox Series X, Series S, and Xbox One. But before you actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and hit the Xbox home button on your controller and go to the My Games and Apps section and go to See All, specifically in Apps, and essentially just open up Microsoft Edge or your web browser here on an Xbox. If you don't have Microsoft Edge installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store, but whenever it opens up, just go to the address bar and type in chess.com and hit enter, and after a few seconds, chess.com will load, and from here you can log in, sign up, or play without an account, and then from here, just go ahead and navigate over to the Play tab. On the left hand sidebar, hit something like play online and you'll be able to set up your match. It really is as simple as that. There's also the ability to play against bots if you just want to practice, but essentially once you select your game mode, the chessboard will load and you'll be able to start playing like normal using your controller as your cursor. It really is super easy. Just open up Microsoft Edge, go to chess.com and start playing today. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.